Let us stand straight on the mat, hands by your side, close your eyes, join your palms with 3 times, deep inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, one more last count, inhale and exhale. Let us chant Om to begin the practice for today. Once again with a deep inhale. Once again, let's promise ourselves that we will give the best for the next 25 to 30 minutes, and let's try to get deeper into our practice for today. With this promise, let's gently open our eyes. So we start with the warm up for today. Your right leg will come out and we start with ankle rotation. 1. So we do it in clockwise and then on anti-clockwise, both the directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now your toe comes up towards the ceiling and then it goes down. Again the toe comes up towards the ceiling and it goes down. And one last count it goes up and then it goes down. Move the fingers also up and down of the right leg. The right leg comes back, left leg goes out and we start with ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The toe goes up and it goes down. It goes up again and goes down. One last count, up and down, and move the fingers also up and down. From here, place the palms beside your waist and then lift the right leg up and down. Lift the right leg up and down. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Left leg, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here, the right knee will come down very slowly and slowly. The right knee comes down, push the left leg forward and then push it forward. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, feel the stretch, and 5. And now be here for 5 counts. 1, in the forward stretch position. 2, 3, 4 and 5. From here, let's come back. Now the left knee is back and down. The right leg is forward and then we push it. 1, very good. 2, 3, feel the stretch. 4 and 5. Now let's be here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very slowly and slowly. Let's come up and let's start twisting now. So let's come up. Open up your arms and then you go on the right hand side and then twist for 3 counts. 1, be there 2 and then again be there 3. Okay? So we will go for 3 counts on each side. Let's start. 1, go more and more. 2 and 3. Then on the left hand side. 1, 2 and 3 again. The third count on the right hand side. 1, 2 and 3. Open up the legs. On the left hand side. 1, 2 and 3. So like this. On the right hand side. 1, 2 and 3. On the left. 1, 2 and 3. Count number 7 on the right. 1, 2, 3. And then on the left hand side. 1, 2 and 3. On the right. 1, 2 and 3. And on the left. 1, 2 and 3. Okay? From here we move again. Let your legs, open up your legs and then place the palm on the right waist and then inhale Take the left hand up and then bend on the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On the left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, 10 count on the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10 counts on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, you can again open up your legs a bit of it, not completely, a bit of it, and then join the palms. Inhale very slowly and slowly, hands go up, and then you exhale very slowly and slowly, bend from your waist, from your hips, and then you come down. You can hold the ankles and then try to push your head towards the knees. The body will be stiff. Just try very slowly and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's come up. Let's do this for 5 counts. Again, count number 2. Join the palms. Inhale, go up, and then exhale. Again, hold the ankles or the calf muscles, and then push yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, let's come up. Count number 3. Join the palms. Inhale, hands go up. Exhale, forward bend, and again join. Hold the ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And count number 4. Again, inhale, come up, hands go up, and then forward bend. Hold the ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's come back. One last count. Again, join the palms. Hands go up. Inhale. And then exhale. Forward bend. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And slowly and slowly come up. So the last part that we do in the warm-up, and then we move on to the actual stuff of the workout. Let's do a bit of jogging at the same place, right? Yes, very good. Yes, very good. At the same place. Let's do it. A few counts. Very good. 30 more counts. Let's do it a bit faster. Very good. Twenty more counts. Very good. Keep going. And last 10. Nine, 8. 6, 5. 3, 2, and 1. And done. Okay. So like I told, today's flexibility, we will try to do some postures, and we will try to hold those postures for about 30 to 35 seconds each. Okay. So let us sit on the mat, and the first that we do is, you just normally sit in Sukha Asana. Just sit, and then your left hand is on the right knee. The left hand is on the right knee. The right hand goes back. Right hand goes back, and the left hand is on the right knee. And then you twist and look back. Okay? Yes, very good, Arvind. Yeah, good. So twist and look back. Very good, Vandana. And let us start in 3, 2, and 1. Let's hold this for 30 seconds. Very good, Arvind. Come on. Place the left palm on the right knee. Right hand goes back. And just twist your stomach. Squeeze in your stomach. Twist yourself. And look back. And hold here for 12 more seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 2, and 1. Let's come back, and now we do the same thing on the other side. So this time the right hand is on the left knee. Right hand is on the left knee. The left hand goes back and you twist and look back. Okay? And you do the same thing for 30 seconds. So the right hand is on the left knee. The left hand goes back, and let's start. 30 seconds. Squeeze in your stomach and look back. Twist. So these flexibility postures will increase the flexibility in your body and also will tone your body. Halfway through already, 15 more seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here we move to the third posture. Now in this case, place the right leg on the mat and then cross the left leg. So your right leg is on the mat, cross the left leg like this. Okay? And then your right hand go up, take it up, and then cross the left knee. Cross the left knee को cross करना है, and your left hand goes back. I will just repeat once again. Your right leg is on the mat, left leg crosses. Yes, very good, Vandana. Left leg crosses the right knee, and then the right hand crosses the left knee. It's like this, and left hand goes back, and you twist and look back. Aya, chalo, everyone, come on. Let's start. Yes, very good. Arvind, karo. Yes, very good. And hand go back. Left hand back. And twist. Very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. Very good. Let's hold here. 17. 15 more seconds left. Keep twisting and looking back. 6, 5, 4. Done. And now the same thing on the other side. So this time your left leg is down. Left leg is down on the mat. The heels will touch the hip. Okay, the left heel touches the hip. The right leg crosses the left leg. Right leg crosses the left leg. Right hand will go back and the left hand will cross the left knee. Okay? The left hand will cross the left knee. Right hand goes back and you twist, and we will be there for 30 seconds. Okay? Chalo, very good. Let's hold there. 20 more seconds left. Keep twisting as much as you can. 15 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. And done. You can release the posture. So we are done with 4 postures for today. 4 more to go. Now straighten up your left leg and bend the right leg towards your thighs. So the right leg, bend it towards your thighs or the groin area, and then your left leg is straight. And from here, sideways inhale, the hands go up, and then you forward bend. forward bend and try to grab your toe. And try to grab your toe and then exhale and just bend forward. Yes, very good. And keep inhaling and exhaling. With every exhale, try to go down as much as you can. And we will be there for 30 seconds. Okay? So what we do is sideways, inhale, hands go up, exhale, forward bend, try to grab the toe and then try to bend forward as much as you can. Very good. Chalo. Come on, and be there. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Don't bend your knee. The knee should be straight. Don't bend your knee. The knee should be straight. And then keep moving forward. 15 seconds left. And done. The same thing now on the other side. So the right leg comes straight now and the left leg you bend and bring it towards your thigh or your groin region. And then again what we do is we do sideways, inhale, hands go up and we will exhale and do forward bend. Okay, this will be the sixth move for today. Come on, so sixth move, forward bend, try to grab the toe and then forward bend, don't bend your knee. And with every exhale and inhale, try to bend forward as much as you can. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 15 seconds left. And we are done with the sixth move. The seventh move, open up both the legs now and then, so you are sitting straight, both the legs are straight now and then again inhale, hands go up and then grab the thumb of the legs. Try to hold the thumb of the legs and then place the elbow on the knees. Place the elbow on the knees and then try to again forward bend with exhale and then keep inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. So today, like I told, we are doing flexibility. Okay. So it is all about sitting and doing all these postures to increase the flexibility in your body. Okay. So sit straight, hands go up, inhale and then hold the thumb, place the elbow on the knees and then forward bend. Inhale and exhale and keep going down. Inhale and exhale and keep going down. You can also hold your ankles or the heels and then push yourself down. And then slowly and slowly come up. And then the last stretch in the first round will be open up the legs. Open up the legs and then try to grab the thumb again. Try to grab the thumb and then push yourself forward again. So you will feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Okay, and then try to go down as much as you can. This will be the last stretch in the round one and then we do 2 more rounds of the same. Okay, so grab your thumb and then try to go down as much as you can. Chalo, come on, go down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And keep going down. 10 more seconds left. Knees should not be bent. And come up. Okay? So this was the round one. We did 8 stretches and take some rest before we move to the round 2. And round 2 again we will sit straight and then we will place the left hand on the right knee and we will go back. 20 seconds of rest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's get ready. The left hand on the right knee, the right hand goes back and we start. Twist and look back. Squeeze in your stomach and then look back. Vandana on the right hand side. 15 seconds left. 4, 3, and done. Same thing on the other side. This time your right hand will be on the left knee and the left hand will go back and we will twist, look back. And 3, 2, and 1. From here, the next move again. Place the right leg on the mat. The left leg will cross the right knee. Yes, very good. Very good, Arvind. And then the right hand will go up, cross the left knee. And the left hand will go back. And we will hold this posture. The left hand will go back. You twist and look back. Let's hold here. 30 seconds. Keep squeezing in your stomach and twisting more and more. 13, 12, 10, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. And done. From here again, let's change. So now the left leg is on the mat. The right leg will cross the left knee. And the right hand goes back and your left hand. Yes, very good. And the left hand will cross the right knee. And we look back. Very good. Right hand goes back and look back. 30 seconds. Round 2, we are in the 4th move for today. 4 more to go in this round and then 1 more round after this. 15 seconds left. And done. From here, the 5th move, bend your right leg on the mat, left leg is straight, it grows inside your groin or the thighs region, and then inhale, hands go up, and then we will exhale and do forward bend. Yes, very good, Arvind, very good, Vandana. Come on, let's go down and hold the ankle or the toe and be there. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And let's come back. Same thing on the other side this time. Bend the left leg. The right leg is straight. And again, inhale and go up. Forward bend and go down. Sixth move for today, round 2. Keep going down. 15 more seconds left. and done. And then the seventh move, straighten up both the legs and then inhale, hands go up and forward bend. Hold the thumbs, place the elbow on the knees and then you can push yourself forward. If you can, hold the heels. Hold the heels from the sides and then try to bend forward. Hold the heels from the sides and then bend forward. 15 seconds left. And the last move, open up the legs and then try to hold the thumb and then bend forward. Chalo, come on. Go forward. Don't bend your knees and then feel the stretch in the hamstrings and go down. Keep going down with every inhale and exhale. Fifteen seconds more to go. And done. 30 seconds of rest before we move to the last round. You can again sit straight and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's get ready. The left hand on the right knee. Right hand goes back. Last round. 8 postures. Chalo, come on. Arvind, left hand on the right knee. And right hand goes back. Left hand, ha. Hold there. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's change. On the other side, now the right hand on the left knee, left hand goes up and goes back. Twist and look back. Yes, very good. Let's hold there for 30 counts. And done. From here again the right leg is down, left leg crosses the right knee, left leg crosses the right knee, right hand crosses the left knee, left hand goes back and you twist and hold. Yes, very good. Keep twisting and squeezing your stomach as much as you can. And done. Same thing on the other side, this time. The left leg is down, right leg crosses the left knee, and then the right hand goes back, left hand crosses the left knee, right knee. And we hold this for 30 seconds. Very good. A leg twist more. Ten, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and halfway through in the last round, let's open up the left leg straight, right leg towards your groin region. Very good. Come on, simple. Straighten up your left leg and then inhale and forward bend. Chalo jao. Straighten up your left leg and then forward bend. Very good.
And keep inhaling and exhaling.
And done. Sixth move, right leg straighten up, left leg towards the groin region. Inhale and then forward bend.
Hold the heels if you can and then bend forward. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Seven, six, five.
And let's come up. Seventh move, straighten up both the legs and then hands go up, forward bend, hold the thumb, the elbows on your knees, hold there, slowly and slowly try to grab your heels and push yourself forward.
15 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
And come up. And the last move for today, open up both the legs and then hold the thumb and then you go down, forward bend. Chalo, come on. Yes, very good. Forward bend.
Fifteen seconds left.
And you are done. So we did some 8 stretches for 30 seconds each and we did for 3 rounds. From here we move to the pranayama section. The last part for today, you can sit straight and now we will do Brahmari pranayama for today. Yesterday we did Bhastrika pranayama. Today we will do Brahmari pranayama. So how we will do Brahmari pranayama is close your eyes and close your ears with your thumb. Close your ears with your thumb. Place the fingers on the face. Place the fingers on the face and then inhale and then make a humming sound. Again, inhale and then make a humming sound. And we will do this for 5 minutes. Okay? So, close your earlids with your thumb. Place the fingers in front of your face. Inhale and make a humming sound. Let's start it now. And you can sit straight with your eyes closed. Just try to observe your breath for a few counts. Gently start rubbing your palms against each other to generate some heat. Start rubbing them faster and faster. And once you feel enough heat is generated between the palms, place it on your face and gently massage and feel the warmth. Bring your palms in front of your face and with a smile, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining.